Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Fluidity of Life. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about YouTube sampling shorts and what it is, how it works, and to let you know that it is enabled on all of your content by default and how to disable it if you want to. So that's what I'm doing, a quick tutorial on how to, and to let you know what sampling shorts are and how it may and may not affect your content. So that's why I'm making the vlog. New YouTube short sampling and what it is. If you didn't know about it or heard about it, I think they sent out a email to creators and influencers. And I just noticed that by default all your content has sampling, short sampling is already enabled. So I was wondering, since anybody can use your audio, which this only comes to audio, I don't think it's not including the video, but only the audio from your content is what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you quick exactly what I'm talking about, so you know, and if you want to turn them off or on. If somebody uses your sample, they will attribute your audio from your video, so it may help your content or it may not. So anyway, I wanted to show you quickly about it and how it works. As you can see here, I'm on YouTube's Google support for YouTube. Okay, so as you can see here, introducing the new way to create shorts with audio from across YouTube. So as you can see, it shows you how it's created and how it works. And how you can create sampling, short sampling from other people's content. So if you want to know more about it, you can go to the so that way you can get information on how to sample audio from other people's content. Now, so I was going to show you on YouTube how to enable it or disable it if you want other people to use your audio from your content or not, because it's on by default. So I'll show you quickly how to, where you can find it, whether you want to disable it or enable it, since it's already on by default. So I'll show you quickly how to do that on YouTube. So you go to YouTube, and then on the right corner, click on your icon, and then you go to your studio. Click on your studio. Okay. On your dashboard, click on your content. And from your content, you can click on your videos here on top. Well, let me show you just quickly here where it is. If you click on any of your item on your thing, just your little pencil. And as you can see, as you scroll down from any of your content, down on the bottom, scroll down, and from here, click show more, and then you scroll down more. Down past your hashtags, and you got allowing embedding that you should have on, I guess. And then under allow embedding, there's the new shorts sampling, and as you can see, it's on by default on all your content, even your old content. So if you want it off, you can go individually and unclick it. And if you want to do it bulk, you just go back, click back to your content, and then on your content you can click on your videos up on top, and then it'll select all. Of course there's, depending on how many you got selected, but you can click up to 50 per page. So in here you can go to your editing. Once you got them clicked, as you can see, whatever ones you want, you can click to your edit, and then right down there's a little thing called your short sampling. If you want these on or off, you can go here, you click here, click your short sampling, and then if you click that, so you can either allow it, as you can see they're already all on, or you can put don't allow. So if you want to disable them, you can just go don't allow sampling, don't allow sampling, and then you go to the right corner and click your update videos, and then that'll remove sampling for your audios on all your content, including your old content. I just learned this today, so I thought I would let other content creators know whether you want it on or off, because it is by default on. So you can turn them on and off. Now that's only the audio for your videos. So, and if people use your audio from your content, it'll attribute you to their video. So it could be benefit to you, but if you don't want you to share your content audio, then you probably want them off. So if you have any questions, you can let me know, or I'm going to leave the picture of the support page on Google so you can read up on it if you want. And then I thought it would be maybe good information for content creator influencers out there, so you know how to enable it, how to disable it, and to let you know that it's even there, because maybe I didn't know it was there and it was already enabled on all my content, which is okay since it's the audio only at this point. So I'm not sure if it's affecting me at all, but perhaps maybe you got some audio that you don't want other people to use, or you don't want to share it with other people. So that's maybe good information for a lot of people out there, since I don't know why it's on automatically instead of being off and then giving you an option to put it on. I mean, it's, I guess, and if you didn't read the email from YouTube, I'm not sure if they put an email for all content creators in your Gmail or whatever you got for email, but so that's how you enable and disable it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Write it down in the comment, and then I'll give you the page there so you can read the information on it for yourself. And I hope that helps some people. If you like my content, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the bell button so you can get notifications. I come across this stuff when I'm trying to edit and when I'm doing things, so I'm trying to figure out how to, you analyze and trying to get more views or whatever. So sometimes I find some information that might be useful to other people. So I'm just letting you know, and you might not know, you might know, but Anyway, hopefully that helps everybody.